Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay on your Facebook videos, okay? Don't worry about my voice. I have a cold. I know many of you have been complaining about the voice because of the cold, but you'll just bear with me because we need to record this video. Let's get started. Now, once you log into your Facebook app, click on your Facebook profile picture, then scroll down. You will see this feature for settings and privacy. Make sure you click on it. Then scroll down once again, click on it. Then under settings and privacy, click on settings. Then you want to scroll down until you see this place for preferences. Under preferences, look for a feature known as media. Click on it. Now, before we continue, I'll also give you a bonus tip to make your experience better when using Facebook. Now, in order to turn off autoplay on Facebook, you will see three options here under autoplay: on mobile and data and Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi only, or never autoplay videos. You can set it such that you can only autoplay videos when you are connected on Wi-Fi, like me currently, or you can turn it off completely, or you can maintain the default settings. But I recommend you turn it off completely so that you can get better experience when using Facebook, okay? Then the next thing, make sure you turn on this data saver. This will save up to 40% of your data when browsing using personal data. You know, nowadays data is a little bit expensive. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.